Hello guys, today I will show you how to install temp mail in your termux in Android. So first make your terminal update and upgrade. Copy these commands. I given these commands in my Telegram channel guys. So please copy this one. Copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay. After that, copy the second command. Copy it and press enter. Okay. Already done guys. That's why I'm not doing again. After that, clone the tool by copying the third command. Copy it and paste it in your terminal and press enter guys. I already installed this one tool guys, that's why I'm not. Ls, make ls cd, copy this one, again make ls, clear the terminal. Yes. After that, copy the fifth command, copy it and paste it. Okay, press enter. After that, copy the sixth command, chmod. Okay, copy it. After that, press enter. Afterwards, everything will become green color, in the green color. Okay. After that, the last command. Okay, copy it here. Okay, copy it and paste it here and -u. Okay, and put any name. For example, I will put my name. See guys, it's already done, and you can choose any of this number. I will choose the second one. Okay, and copy it, and you can paste anywhere. Copy this one. This one is a email, temp mail. Okay, I'll put in here. Okay, I'll paste it. I'm waiting for the OTP now. The OTP is came now, 0274. 0274. Okay guys, it's done. Thank you for watching guys.